Hi, in this video we're going to continue the creation of the multi-page web application eg002. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found here, which is loaded here. So if you go to this page and scroll down, we are somewhere here. Okay, so now in C10 my ASP.NET, we have two folders created. One folder contains the SQL file, which we use to create the database. Another folder, eg002, we are going to build the application here. Okay, and in order to do that, we need to make this folder application. We want to add a virtual directory to it and make this virtual directory application. So we need to launch our Internet Information Services IIS Manager, which is here. Click on that to open this. Okay. All right. So if you look at, make sure that the IIS is running. So click on this, start is running, and then go to sites. We have default website and all that. Now we want to create a virtual directory. Okay, so you can say right click here, add virtual directory. So you can do right click, add virtual directory. Under the default website, right click, add virtual directory, and you say the alias for the virtual directory is, let's say, call it eg002, and where is that folder, the physical path you can browse. C10 my ASP.NET eg002. Okay, so now you have a virtual alias created, okay, or a virtual directory. So you can browse the virtual directory. So if you click on that, you should be able to bring up this localhost eg002, and you will realize that it's forbidden because directory browsing is not enabled. So let's enable directory browsing. So come over here. Where is my directory browsing? Here is your directory browsing. So right click, say I want to sorry, not right click, left click, and I want to oh, okay, sorry. All right, directory browsing, right click, open features, or you can click on open feature here, that's fine too. So you can right click open feature, or you can say left click open feature here. Okay, wherever you want. Let's do right click open feature. So you come over here and then you say directory, you see directory browsing has been disabled, so you say enable directory browsing. Okay, now you can go back here again and say I want to browse, or you can go back to here, look at the virtual directory here, alias, wherever, and just say this is the alias, and then reload. You should be able to browse. Okay, and we also want to make this application. So right click, come over here again, right click, say I want to convert this to an application. Okay, right click and left click, convert to application. See all the default stuff and say OK. Alright, so now you converted it to application. As you can see, the icon here changed. Of course, if you come over here, it doesn't make a difference. You still can browse it, but now IIS treats this alias as an application. Okay, I think that's a good place to stop for this video. In the next video, so now we are ready to start working on this application. So in the next video, we are going to carry on doing that. Okay, thanks for watching. I think that's a good place to stop. Thanks for watching. Bye.